Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about one of SAP's most powerful technologies, SAP HANA. Whether you're a college student exploring enterprise tech or a working professional trying to stay updated, this video will help you understand exactly what SAP HANA is, how it works, and why it matters in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the basics. SAP HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. It's an in-memory database and computing platform designed by SAP to process large amounts of real-time data, faster than traditional systems. Think of SAP HANA as the engine behind modern SAP applications. It stores data in RAM instead of slow disk storage, which makes it blazingly fast. Now, here's what SAP HANA is used for. From running complex queries and reports instantly, to powering real-time analytics and dashboards, or supporting next-gen SAP applications like SAP S/4HANA, and even processing both transactional and analytical data together in one place. So instead of separate systems for transactions and reporting, HANA does it all, live and in memory. So why is SAP HANA special? Traditional databases read from disk, which is slow. But SAP HANA reads everything from memory, just like how apps on your phone open instantly. It also uses column-based storage and parallel processing, which makes it great for real-time decision-making, big data analytics, and IoT and machine learning integration. That's why companies love it. It's fast, smart, and future-ready. Now, where is SAP HANA used? It is used by industries like banking and finance for real-time fraud detection, retail for live inventory tracking, healthcare for patient data analysis, and manufacturing for supply chain monitoring. And it's the foundation for SAP's latest ERP system, and that is SAP S/4HANA. Who should learn SAP HANA? If you're from a technical background, like computer science, data engineering, or IT, SAP HANA is a great skill to learn. With this skill, you can work as a SAP HANA developer, data modeler, SAP Basis administrator, or a consultant working with SAP S/4HANA systems. It's especially powerful if you're also interested in data analytics or cloud computing. If you're aiming for a career in enterprise technology, SAP HANA is a solid, future-proof skill to have. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a deep dive into how SAP HANA actually works. Catch you in the next one!